Closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.
Wait back with another video, and today we are going to be opening a Smashers Dino Ice Age surprise. There's bowls over there because apparently there's slime and fizz.
Okay.
Yeah. Did you see the new setup? I'll just give them a look. And I got a play mat. Arceus fell over. Oh no. Oh well. He is dead. Okay. So I guess I should get started. This is a big egg, and I cut my nails. Oh, there's a pull tab. Man. These never work. My sister got one of these too. Yay. She's going to be in our Christmas video. Because it's Christmas Eve. Let's go. Christmas Eve. What the frick? Yeah, it's Christmas Eve and tomorrow is Christmas. So hope all you have a good Christmas. Because I'm starting my close to Christmas off really good. I was at my grandma's. Yeah, again, we got a ton of candy and this from our elf. This is making a big mess on the floor. Well, there's a ton of mess. Oh. Pikachu fell over. Everything's falling over because this egg is so big.
Can you just pull that off from the bottom?
Get it off the...
Jeez.
What?
It like takes 15 minutes just to unwrap the egg.
I freaking understand. There's more plastic. 5 hours later.
Use the pull tab.
I forgot where the pull tab is. There it is. And it didn't go fully down. There we go. We got the first layer of plastic off. Now the second, the hardest. Ow. Oh my god. Apparently, there's no pull tab. Can you help me? Oh, there we go. Oh, I found its weak spot. Now, I read the cover, the back, and it says we're supposed to smash it. Like this. Here, just wait. Okay, let me just... Or just... Well, this is childproof!
Yeah, let me try smashing it.
Oh, I got it. Pop.
You're supposed to hit it. Yeah, there you go.
I'm supposed to hit it. Got the instructions. We'll do those after. Put those down there. Put this here. And the giant egg inside. Well,
More plastic.
that I can't get through without scissors. I'm gonna go get scissors. I'll be right back. Hide that. Let me take the camera here. He got it open. volcano. Looks like. No. There's a lot of... Oh, looks like we got some dino eggs down there. Yeah, and we got... There's a fizzy thing. So... We got the egg holder over there, but look at this. These will be the last. Just take a look inside there. There's a whole bunch of dino eggs. So I'll put that to the bottom right now. And I think, what should we start with?
You pick.
I'm going to go ahead and start with the blizzard bomb.
All right.
So let's just put these other ones. I can't believe these are actually worth it because there's a whole lot of stuff. Really? The light of doom? Okay. More plastic.
So what is this supposed to do?
Well, it's in the shape of a giant poop.
What's it say?
It's supposed to fizz.
Okay.
Like a bath bomb. See?
So get her. You open that up. I'll get the water.
Well, it's insanely hard to have no nails and open this plastic. Please. All holy dad. Got some water. Yeah. No. And when I get poles, I finally have hard sleeves.
There you go.
We've been recording this for 7 minutes. Okay. Get up close because up the top. Okay. Whoa! Might overflow. Scared of it overflowing, but that is cool. Look at that. Oh, it like instantly reacted. Oh, it smells. Don't think you're supposed to breathe that in. It's like a fountain. You see?
Is there something going to be inside of it?
Maybe. See, there's a tiny like fountain. Probably. Oh. Oh, that feels weird. I see something. Let me just wash my hands. Don't breathe this in. Chemicals. Oh my god, look how blue the water is. Like just look at that. It's like blue water. Look at my fingers. Clearly dripping blue. Update. Oh, it's so tiny. Look. This is probably satisfying. Yeah. Sounds super satisfying. Listen. Yeah, do not breathe that in. I can see the red. See the red? Yeah. again, I thought it was gonna overflow. Because if it overflows.
Let him keep going until he stops fizzing.
Yeah.
Oh, that piece broke off.
Well, that's look, and now that's its own like separate island. You see what that is? No, let me just flip it over. Oh, heavy, whatever it is. It's like a foot. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe, everybody. We're hoping to get at least 20 subscribers by the end of 2020.
Or by the end of January.
Yeah, right now we're sitting at 17, so we only need 3 more.
Yeah. Oh, jeez. Oh, it's soft. Oh. And we can probably build the dinosaur if we can build one. Ooh. It is a bit wet, but there. Look at that.
Dinosaur foot?
Dinosaur foot, yeah, it looks like it. So I'm gonna put that.
Here, let me see.
Yeah.
We'll put that to the side for now.
Yep.
There.
Look at this water.
Oh, pretty blue water. We'll,
Yeah.
we'll move the water out of the way.
Yep.
What's next?
I'm gonna pick what's next. So I think I want to go with the slime. It appears to be.
Frozen slime, it says.
So let's grab the
Does
empty.
it show any instructions on the back or anything?
No, it's just
Okay.
So let's just grab the
We got
empty
an
bowl.
empty bowl here.
I'm peeling this off. It's loose right there, but I can't get it off. See, we got an empty bowl. No water. See?
Oh, your hands are terrible.
What?
There's something on that stuff on your hands.
There
Don't
is?
put it in your mouth or your eyes.
I know. Probably chemicals.
Get this open.
Boom, 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 boom. Try to guess my favorite Pokemon. One of the 3 starters. I have them in. If I move this bowl, I have them in the background somewhere. He's one of the 3 starter Pokemon. From Bulbasaur. Bulbasaur, Pikachu, Charizard, or Squirtle. I meant Charmander. I did that messed up right here. Okay. Ooh, this feels weird. So, looks like we got some kind
You
of.
should be able to pop them right out without taking that off. Yeah, there you go. You slid right out.
Yeah. Whoa, it's like hard ice. It's like, whoa. I don't know if anybody saw that, but it's just like, it's like Jello.
Ew.
This is hard, like. Yeah, it's cool. That's super cool. Before we get to see what's here, I want to just play with this lime for a little bit, because not for long, just to show you guys what it's really like. But okay, we'll
Is
put.
that the head?
Looks like the head of a
Let's see it.
dragon or pterodactyl, one of them. Look at that. Put that to the side, but I just want to show you, like, look how weird this is.
It's like a gel, kind of.
It's hard, though. It's not like... It's like hard. It's like Jello, but hard.
That's pretty neat.
I'll have to play with that when I get upstairs because that is amazingly cool. Well, it's super slippery too. So we'll move that to the side. And put that right down there for all the other mess. Okay. Next thing. I don't know what this is about. Growing snow.
Growing snow. Let's see.
Says in German.
Peel and fill with water.
So just like add a little bit of that blue water.
Okay. So peel.
Add a little bit of that blue water. See what happens there.
Well, we're gonna have to do this in the bathroom.
Okay, let's move.
Let's go so you can find some water.
Let's move to the studio of the bathroom. Here we are.
Okay, you're gonna have to undo that.
Well, have you not seen I don't have nails? Oh, weak spot. Let's go. Put that in.
You better try to find the
Oh look, there's more instructions.
plug or something.
More instructions.
Is there? Yeah, that's what I just saw.
So apparently this is like,
Not sure where the plug is.
the plug to like the,
Sink.
we have a sink plug?
Yeah, it's right here. Just so nothing falls down the drain.
Yeah, we don't want that happening. Here.
There we go.
Just cover that up and move.
You're still slowly working on plastic.
Oh, great. So, smash the like button if you're excited for Christmas.
Oh, 100.
Definitely.
Look at you. You just struggled with the plastic.
Oh, finally. So we're supposed to... Oh, there's snow. Peel.
Peel that off. There's a tag there you can use to peel it off.
I see that. But I didn't.
Okay, and then you peel that off.
Oh, this...
No, I don't want to smell it. Okay, and you put it in here.
Okay,
And we gotta put some water in here. Okay, I think that's how you do.
No, you got it.
Oh, look, it grows. The snow's, it's creating
growing.
snow. That's pretty cool. It, like, made the snow.
Yeah.
That's really neat.
Yeah, it's just...
You're, like, giving it to it.
There we go, look at that.
Cool.
No, it like grew snow. It made, oh. It actually feels like snow, too.
Is it?
Yeah.
Huh.
Yeah.
What's our piece inside?
Let's see. I think we got 2 pieces. What is that?
A leg or something?
A
maybe?
leg,
Rinse it
probably.
off.
There you go. Looks like a leg
Mm-hmm.
to put on. Now. There we go. Looks like the other leg.
Yep. Is that all that's in that one?
Seems to be.
Okay.
And before
Perfect.
we'll just leave this here for now. Like this.
Take the legs.
Before it goes.
Yeah, wash your hands. There, you should use some soap.
Yeah. Say COVID-19.
You can pull it this way, too.
Yeah, probably should do that.
Good?
Yep.
Alright. Here's a towel.
Thank you. Got the legs?
Yep.
Hey, let's get back to the station. Watch out, there's a lot of plastic. Okay. We're back.
Alright, what's next?
Looks like we got crystal slime this time.
More slime.
But it's like crystal slime.
Alright.
Let's get the bucket.
You don't have a bucket
The empty
anymore.
button.
Use this one.
Oh, that's unique.
Use the egg.
We'll use the egg.
Is there instructions
Yes, there's
on
a
that
pull
one? Or? No.
Nope.
It says give her.
Ow!
Oh.
A completely empty eggshell. We also have two, so if we need to use the other one, we got two. Two.
Yeah.
Two. Two. Oh, that's weird. This one's like actually slime, not jello.
Is it?
This is literally like, oh no. My hands might get sticky.
Ew.
It seems to be. Oh, we're all right. It's not sticky.
No.
Look at the rainbow.
That's pretty
Look at the
cool.
rainbow. Reflecting off the Pokemon cards.
Alright.
Whoa, it's like clear. Crystal clear? Oh no. May have a bit of a problem. It is sticking to my hand. Here, it. There we go.
Yeah, we're gonna have to get the pieces out.
Oh, here we go.
Mm-hmm.
The mission. Oh, Jesus. Ew. Oh. I'm gonna have to wash my hands. I'll have to go to the bathroom station. After this one, for the next and final part of the dinosaur is after this.
You got another foot.
This is actually really good for the value and price of this.
How do you even know what the value was?
I bought one of these before,
Yeah.
but not the same one. I've bought Series 1. This is Series 3.
Okay, keep going.
I have some remains of the Dino dirt in my chest.
Why are you getting it all off your hands if you just have to put your hands back in there again?
You know what? You're right.
Yeah.
Okay, let's just
You get it off your hands at the end when you're all done.
yeah, I'll just go wash my hands.
I'm not sure what that piece is.
This looks like a torso.
Might be like a tail or something. Put that up there with the other ones.
Oh. Guys, I don't know if you know how of a mission this is to get this stuff out. Anyways, I'm wishing for hockey cards for Santa, but they're off on. They're not. They're sold out, so I don't know how he's gonna get them. Oh. I might have to go wash this off.
Okay.
To the bathroom. To the bathroom. To wash slime off the Dino. Oh my god. There it is. It just literally fell down the sink.
Get it all?
Oh no, I didn't get it all. There we go.
Did it dry it?
It's so hard to see. There we go. Just
Oh, go on, 25 minutes. I think this might be our longest video yet.
Oh yeah. So let's just. Who cares?
Yeah.
Just give up at that. Okay, where have you been
There.
painting? Okay.
Okay. What's next?
Let me move the crystal slime along down here by its friends. Okay, what's next? The final one is stretchy snow. I'll grab the other part of the shell. This way. Oop. Put that over there. And other part of the shell with the hand sticking out of it. Okay.
Any instructions? No,
Doesn't
here,
look
let me
like
see.
it.
I'll open it up for you.
Okay. And then we'll get on to the characters and the checklist.
Looks like it's slimy again.
Oh my god. So this one looks insanely slimy. Oh my god, this egg. This egg's annoying. How are we gonna keep it in there? Oh.
Reach in and pull them out. Anything else?
Nope.
That's
It's
it.
in there.
This is wings, it looks like.
Wings, kind of, yeah. We're gonna have to go back to the washing center. Oh my god, how are we gonna get the... Oh! So... We're definitely gonna have to wash this off.
Mm-hmm.
So let's go wash the first wing off.
Well, just take all of them, bring all of them. Well,
Since this slime's going to waste, I have enough of that snow slime in that bowl.
I don't know if this stuff can go down the sink. That's the problem.
True.
So, bear with us. Just, I know there's nothing on the video right now. We're just trying to clean off these wings.
It's impossible. There's slime in between.
I don't know, just get as much as you can off.
I'm not good at this cleaning slime thing. Slime is fun. Has slime been out with you in your life when you were a little kid? Was slime a thing?
Oh,
What?
oh yeah.
Slime was a thing then?
Huh?
Jesus, slime's old then.
Watch some. You want to hold the video? You do the recording? That's my phone.
Jesus just saying that it's very hot.
I know. You can do the recording.
Okay, here we go. This is now a 30-minute video.
Yep.
This is a long video. But bear with us for the long video. Looks like that went down the sink pretty well. Remember, those eggs down there, they're waiting. This is, just gonna. Did some parkour to get there. Those are the clean ones we have so far. Anyways, I should probably keep you entertained. What should we do? Well, just in case you guys haven't seen, this is my giant common. It's my giant commons for my Pokemon cards. You take a look. I got a lot. Just a long thing of Pokemon. And I made this front cover when I was little. Pokemon TM cards. Pokemon TM trading card game. And 150 Pokemon there used to be, so I put 150 Pokeballs. How long ago was it when I made this cover?
Oh, geez, quite a while ago. How's it going down there? Well, it's going.
32 minutes.
What?
Yep.
It'll be a long video.
Who's gonna watch it for that long?
Dedicated subscribers.
Dedicated subscribers are gonna watch it all the way through. Okay, let's get back. Well, that took a while. But we're back.
What's next? What's that thing?
This thing is the egg holder. I can show it off. You get an egg holder in every series. So this is series 3, and I got a orange egg holder for Dino Age in series 1. This one is in Ice Age 1.
Okay.
And it holds the eggs that we're about to open.
Okay, so we're gonna open the eggs now.
And after the eggs, we'll open the checklist up and see what we got.
Alright.
So, it looks like we have 6 dino eggs. So this is what a regular dino egg looks like. Right here. So, and this is what it looks like in the thing. Pretty cool. And we'll get the rest. I'm gonna pick. I picked a random one and put it in there, and that's the one I'm opening for last because I think it's lucky.
Okay.
But Navi, we're looking for. We'll have to see the limited ones. Limited ones in this series used to be golden, guys. I'm pretty sure. I used to have one.
Here's your checklist. You open that up first, see which ones are the rares.
Yeah. 5 minutes later of struggling to get the plastic off this tape.
12 hours later.
I'm not done yet. So, we got the checklist. Oh, I see like a rare guy. The ultra rare. There's one of them.
So what's the rarest one?
So
the ultra rares down the bottom?
Here's are the silver ones. They're the playset exclusive.
Hold the thing straight up and down.
These are the playset exclusive. These are the rare. These are the rare.
So you're looking for the cool caveman. This guy.
And then there's the Arctic ape and the blizzard bear for the playset exclusives. And there's rares like the ice on bison, the Siberian lion, the melted moose, the chili mammoth, and the winter wolf. And then there's all the commons.
Oh, so there's a look at the list.
So, I guess we should get into these eggs, you think?
Mm-hmm.
Boom, boom, boom.
Hold on. There's scratch map. Hatch it if you can. Thaw the claw.
We did those.
Oh, did you do all this stuff?
Yeah, remember that was the slime and stuff.
Okay.
But I'm pretty sure those to reveal the characters that you're gonna get from the eggs.
Okay, well, let's see what we got here.
Let's see. I can't open this plastic, even though there's a.
The struggle is real.
Even though, oh. There we go. Oh, finally worked. Boom. So, I remember. Oh. Well, you're cool. Oh, he's like stretchy and stuff. Look. It's like rubbery. Oh, I like the guy. He's like a. He's
like a raptor. Yeah.
Looks like an icy. He has an icy foot and an icy tail. Oh.
All right.
All right. Yeah, these make a big plastic mess. So, to the next one, I'm gonna put these little guys on my shelf, where I keep all my stuff. Yeet. Then yeet, 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 yeet. Oh, that's the rare. That's one of the rare ones.
Is it?
I'm pretty sure that's the chili moose.
Looks like it.
The chili moose.
Yep.
There he is, the chili moose himself. He's a rare, which is cool. I like the rares. This is going to be a 40-minute video.
Easily.
And half of it is opening plastic. Okay, let's get to this. Oh, oh. Whoa, what is that? Oh, it's see-through.
Yeah.
I don't think that's on the list. Come on, checking that. Let's check that. Let's check what we got so far, guys. Here, let me check what I got so far. So the chili moose, I think we did get the common version of.
Okay.
But that is okay. Because, let me see.
"12 hours later."
Oh. No. We did get the melted, yeah, the melted moose.
Cool.
Rare.
Oh, is it?
Yep. Yeah, apparently the see-through versions, and we got the Blizzard Bronto.
Cool.
He's a see-through. He's super, yeah, that there's no common version of that, so that must be the rare version of him.
Cool.
So we did get a rare. Keep in mind that. That's really cool. Smashers, I've watched people open it before. They're pretty cool. Smash the egg, 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 smash it. Smash it, smash it, smash it,
There
smash
must be a
it.
certain spot you have to do.
Smash the, smash the, smash the, smash the, smash it. Oh! He is super cute.
Is it like a reindeer?
It's a reindeer.
Cool.
He's really cute. I love that guy. Yeah, the melted moose is pretty cool. Yeah, the reindeer. Cute little reindeer. Now we got,
40 minutes later.
hey guys, still going.
Yep, still going. "12 hours later, opening up plastic."
Still going. Cause the wrap.
Still going. And the dog's coming down.
Oreo. Oh, you want views? Come here. Use you for content. Come here. Look.
That's our Oreo.
Okay.
Alright, Oreo, you can't stay in here. There's stuff on the floor.
Yes.
You
See
can
ya.
go upstairs.
Ah! Hatch. I just put it back together. Hatch. Hatch, 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 hatch. Now let's try this. Oh, oof, oof. Off. Oof. Off, oof, off, oof, off, oof. Off. That's super cool. Look at that. It's a pterodactyl.
Yeah, that's pretty neat.
That is neat. It's like a golden pterodactyl.
Last one.
Last one.
Egg magic.
Who says that?
12 hours later.
Hey, I'm still opening the one egg.
That was an easy one.
Whoa.
Oh, it's like a fossil with a bug in it.
Let me see the thing.
I don't got it. You got it down there.
Oh. So we got the rarest one of them their kind that you can get.
Yeah.
We got the Sub-Zero mosquito.
Yeah. Cool.
The Sub-Zero mosquito, the rarest kind of him that you can get right there.
Perfect.
He looks so cool. So that's gonna be it.
No, we're gonna build the.
All right, yo,
dinosaur.
I almost forgot.
Here.
Dinosaur.
There's still a little bit of slime left on that, so you're gonna have to just kind of work with it. 12 hours later.
Wow, oh, it's already stuffed. Oh my God, there's so much slime still on it.
That's okay. Let's build it. Do you know how to build it?
Just stuck its head on its butt.
Oh.
Oh, there we go. I got the head on.
Okay.
Okay. Now. Did you get the tail?
What's that little thing?
It's so slippery. There's so much slime on it.
Must go on a certain way. You gotta line it up.
Ow. 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 Can you help me? It's super slippery.
Hold the camera.
Sorry.
Well, it lines up a certain way. Yeah. Here's legs.
Is it slippery, bro?
How do you put those on?
Oh,
Oh. Does he not have arms?
no, you don't.
Where are his arms? They don't exist.
What are you doing? What are you doing? Yeah, that's right.
They really don't.
Where all his arms they
Is there
go
another
in.
piece somewhere? Are we forgetting something?
No,
Are you sure?
I'm sure. There's nothing else.
I don't think you're right. Because he legit doesn't have any arms.
He doesn't need arms.
What?
He's a no.
An armless pterodactyl.
Where's the wings?
Oh, that's what they're...
Yeah, the wings that have the,
Oh,
the little
yeah.
arms on that are connected on its wings.
Okay, hold on, let me...
You see, look. See, there are the arms.
How's that recording going? Pretty good?
Oh yeah, it's amazing. Staring at the ground.
Yeah.
That's his arm. Oh wow.
I can't get this flag up.
Up to the beat, up to the beat. Up to the beat, up to the
There, what are you going through? I don't know how to put these on.
I don't know. It's so simple. Yes, you're doing it. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Blue, are you okay?
He's so good. Struggles.
Oh, yeah.
I got it. Let's go.
Was there more than... Oh, because it's longer.
It's longer, boy. The recording is going absolutely fantastic.
17 hours later.
This is gonna be a 50-minute video. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I'm literally yawning. Dun, dun, dun. Enter the. While he's doing that, I must just.
How's the recording going on the ground?
Good.
Here. We got him made.
Jesus, he's big.
Yeah, he's pretty cool, actually.
Yeah.
Let's show everybody the finished product. Pretty cool.
There he is. He's a giant pterodactyl.
Yeah. Really cool. Alright, everybody. Well, thanks for watching for 47 minutes and 36 seconds.
Yep.
And I hope everybody has a Merry Christmas, and I hope Santa is
And we'll see you.
fabulous for you
And we'll
guys.
see you tomorrow.
And we'll see you tomorrow with some new box openings.
And
Hopefully
some
for some
hockey
Pokemon.
pads, probably.
If you get them from Santa.
Yes.
Alright. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.